Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the image and trimming obvious edges. Make sure canvas orientation is correct so selection behaves predictably. Next, choose Magic Select and draw a tight box around the subject. Tighter boxes are faster and more accurate. Click Next and let Paint 3D analyze the foreground versus background. This algorithm estimates edges, so you're guiding it. Once done, you'll see a preliminary mask and handles to refine the selection before removing the background. Now you refine the mask to capture fine details like hair and thin edges. Use the Add and Remove brushes to include or exclude small areas. Zoom in to about 200% for precision so you don't miss stray pixels. Then, drag the selection handles to reshape the mask and hold steady while Paint 3D recalculates edges. Make sure shadows and semi-transparent parts are included as needed, and toggle background color to preview how the selection will look once cleared. With the selection accurate, click Remove Background or Cut and paste the subject onto a new transparent canvas. Then enable Canvas Transparent Canvas so the background is truly clear and export as PNG to preserve transparency. You can further clean edges with erase or paint tools if needed. If you see jagged or missing edges, retry Magic Select with a slightly larger box or use Add/Remove more precisely. That often fixes edge artifacts without starting over completely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.